Hey, what's going on, everyone? My name is D. Anthony with Evolution Traders. In this video, we're going to go over some of the trades that myself and some of the members in Evolution Traders took today. Now, today, all in all, was not a bad day. There was some plays long, there was some plays short. Again, I'm rocking the 2-minute time frame here. I've got a very tight take profit at around 4 to 5 points. I got a hard take profit at 5, but if it's starting to stall, I'll manually exit myself out at 4 points. Now, again, we're giving ourselves the reason why candle as a stop loss and or the 20 SMA. So let's just kind of recap it and get into things. Right off the bell, we have an immediate push down. We're already trading below this 20 SMA, and then we get a nice little push back up to the high side here at 6:42 in the morning Pacific Standard Time. That price was sitting at 20,250, and in a matter of 2 minutes runs to 20,262. This was an easy win here for that automated take profit. Now we got a close below the 20 SMA here at 6:50 in the morning. It immediately confirms, and this trade here was a little bit tricky because depending on your size of contracts that you were playing, this was around a 13 to 15 point drawdown. So if you are trading one mini contract, at one point in time, you were down close to $300 on this trade. If you can't handle that type of drawdown, you need to size down. You need to go to the micro side of things. I would recommend something like 5 micros. That seems to be a nice little sweet spot there for a lot of guys. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 minutes later, it starts to flush. You're eventually going to get that 1-to-1. I think you got that 5 points, excuse me, not 1-to-1, 5 points. I think you got a little bit sooner here. The low price was 20,233. This goes all the way down to 20,226. So you would have taken it here literally 6 minutes later. Now, again, because I'm scalping, I'm not going to catch the whole big move here. One thing that you can kind of do if you're looking for other areas of opportunity is take the low of day. Once we break the low of day, we put in the new low. This would become your entry here through the new low of day. Now, what your take profit is going to be very dependent on what you're comfortable risking, right? So if this is a 35-point range candle, and we start to bounce 15, 20, 25 points, well, you're going to have to kind of sit through that to see if, it's going to take out the previous candle high or continue to flush. So, do that on your own, figure that out, what's comfortable for you. Now, the next trade here, same kind of deal, right? So 20,190 was the high. It runs to 20,195. But I want to explain something. Depending on when you click the buy, and if you're getting filled a market order, you're probably getting filled a little late. And I can see how maybe it ran up only 2 to 3 points before pulling back, okay? Same deal. Never takes out your reason why here, sitting at around 23 points. Again, that's going to be the name of the game. However, technically, this never stops you out, right? It never stops you out. Now, one thing that I need to make clear here is this strategy so far in the forward testing that I've been doing, trading Apex accounts and Top Step accounts, guys, it's hitting at around 80% of the time, okay? And again, keep that to yourself because we don't need a bunch of people out there trading the same scenario. And again, my YouTube channel is so small that, it's not going to spread like wildfire. So again, I'm trying to help you guys out here, give you guys a little bit of something that you can utilize. Now, when traders hear that a strategy hits at 80% of the time, I need to be very clear, okay? That does not mean that it's going to hit at 80% of the time for the rest of your life. It does not mean that it's going to hit at 80% every single day. There might be days where you take 2 or 3 losers. There might be days where you go 1, 2, 3 consecutive days where you just don't win anything. What you need to do is make sure that you're playing position size that's going to keep you in the game long term, that you can sit through periods of drawdown in your account and be able to battle back when it does start to run. Here's your next setup here at 818. This one, don't even need to do the math. You can see you're going to get those 5 points there. Low price 20,192 goes all the way down to 20,183. So again, another winner there. This long position, I took this long position. This was a loser. So I took this long position. This was a loser. I gave back these profits and a little bit of these. However, once we closed below the 20 SMA, I went ahead and jumped short on the confirmation. So I got back the losses from this long, okay? So winner here, winner here, and then this long trade gave back this win and a little bit of this one, but this trade short regained me back. Okay, so again, back to profitability here. There was another setup later on in the day coming out of this lunch hour, right? So lunch hour for me is going to end at 10 a.m. And I'm looking here right at 10 a.m. We get that close below the 20 SMA again at 10 a.m. and it confirms, and there's another winner. So now I ate up all of these losses here, and now I'm back to green. So 1 winner, 2 winners, 3 winners, 4 winners, 1 loser. Okay, 1 loser, another winner here for 5 winners, and another winner here for 6 winners. So again, 7 total trades on the day. 6 of those trades were winners. 1 of those was losers. 1 of those trades did give back profits from about 2 trades. So ultimately we cashed in on 4 trades. So again, play it with discretion, okay? Try it out. I'm not saying to go out there and start loading up 15 mini contracts on this strategy, but play around with it. Again, 2 minutes, 20 SMA. It's a change in trend momentum strategy, okay? So the trend is the 20 SMA. That's the trend. When we change trends, we're looking to capture the new start of that trend. And when that new trend starts, whether it's for 20 minutes, whether it's for 5 minutes, whether it's for 2 hours, we're looking to just scrape a piece of that trend. I hope this video helps you guys. If you guys want to trade with me, that link is down in the description box below to join the room, get access to the rest of the learning lessons, as well as the community, as well as the live commentary that goes on in Evolution Traders. Also, if you guys are looking to sign up, Apex right now is running a deal on 150K accounts, 200K accounts, and 300K accounts for $40. That link is down in the description box below. Use code SAVE80. Okay, SAVE80. If you guys are zone traders where you need a little bit of drawdown, maybe you need a dollar cost average, Top Step is going to be your guy. That link is also down in the description box below. I'll see the rest of you guys on the inside of Evolution Traders. I do have 2 spots open, so those of you guys first come, first serve, and I'll catch you guys all in the next video.